हेलो बच्चों, आज हम शुरू करेंगे प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 1.1। राइट द फॉलोइंग सेट्स इन द रोस्टर फॉर्म। इट्स इन द रोस्टर फॉर्म। Write the following sets in the roster form. Now, in your textbook, given the question, set of even numbers. Set of even numbers. Set of even numbers are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 onwards. It is the set of even numbers. Now we start second. Second is given prime number from 1 to 50. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. It's a very interesting question. Yeah, it's a very interesting question. From 1 to 50 numbers, we have only one even prime number. We have only one even prime number, and it is 2. 2 is the only number who was even and prime in between 1 to 50. Now the third one. Set of negative integers. Set of negative integers. We have the many negative integers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and onwards. Any minus number is a negative integer. And positive integer means we have a positive number, plus number. 1 plus, +2, +3, +4 are positive integers. Now the question number 4. Question number 4. 7 basic sounds of Sargam. 7 basic sounds of a Sargam. Yes, it's a Sargam, Sur. Nowadays we have watching many musical competition, musical programs. They're using very good, very notable sounds. We have a 7 Sargam. 7 Sargam is Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. It is the 7 basic sounds. 7 Sargam, 7 Sur. Now we move on. Second question. Okay? Answer. Hello students. Problem set 1.1. We start question second. Write the following symbolic statement in words. Symbolic statement in words. In your textbook, it's given the question number 1. 4/3 element of Q. Element of Q. Now we start this symbolic statement written in words. 4/3 is a 4/3 is a set of rational number. 4/3 is a set of rational number. Rational number. 4/3 is a set of rational number. 4 upon 3 4 upon 3 belongs to Q, right? The second question is -2 not element n. -2 is not an element of Q. Now we written this -2 does not belong to set of rational number. Set of rational number. Set of rational number. -2 is does not -2 does not belong to n. -2 not element n. -2 does not belong to set of rational number. -2 does not belong to n. Now we start third question. In the third question it's given P equal to P oblique P is an odd number. P oblique P is an odd number. Now we are seeing answer. P is a set of all P. First we what see? P is the set of all P, and second, P is an odd number. P is an odd number. Now what can we see? P equal to P upon P is an odd number. Answer we can say P is the set of all P. P is the set of all P, and P is an odd number. Thank you. Now we start third question after some work. Hello students. We start problem set 1.1 third sum. It's not given anything. It's say only listing method and rule method. Give 2 points of each set. Now we start first point. A set of square of first 5 natural numbers. We taken a set of squares of first 5 natural numbers. First 5 natural numbers. Now we written this in the form of listing method and the rule method. In the listing method, listing form. In the listing form, I written a set of square of first 5 natural number. First 5 natural number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It's my listing form. 1, 4, 9, 16, 5. First 5 natural number. Now the second rule method. Now I am written it rule method. In the rule method, y upon y is a prime number. Is a prime number which was greater than 2, y less than 20. Greater than 2, y less than 20. It is the first sample, and I given the second example. Second example is that B. Z is a set of prime number greater than 10 and less than 20. Yeah, Z is a set of prime number greater than 10 and less than 20. We written the Rostow form. In the Rostow form, in the listing form, in the listing form, we can say roster form also. Roster form. The numbers are 11, 13, 17, 19. Yeah, 11, 13, 17, 19 is the prime number greater than 10 and less than 20. In between 10 to 20, we have the four prime numbers, which are 11, 13, 17, 19. Now, rule method. In the rule method, we written this: Z upon Z is a prime number, greater than 10, less than 20. Okay, now we start fourth question after some words. Hello students, now we are doing practice set number 1.1 fourth sum. Fourth sum is given the write the following set using listing method. It's a listing method. Question first, all months in the Indian solar year. All the months in the Indian solar year. After some words we have studied month of the year. We have say January, February, March, April, onwards December. Now it is called Indian solar year. The listing method we written A equal to in bracket first month of Indian solar year. Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshta, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwini, Kartika, Margashish, Paus, Magh, Phagun. This 12 months is our Indian solar year. Now our second question is letters in the word complement. Yeah, it's a complement. What is the meaning of complement? We have a complement, many same alphabets. M is coming on 2 times, E coming on 2 times. Now we written A, C, O, M, P, L, E, N, T. This alphabet we make complement. Using of this alphabet we making a complement. In complement we are having a 2 times M, 2 times E, but in written we have written only single time, only one time. Our third question is the set of sensory organ of a human being. Yeah, the set of sensory organ in class 3rd or class 4th. In science we already have understand, we know the set of sensory organ of the human being. Set of sensory organ is first is eyes, second nose, third ears, fourth tongue, and fifth, skin. These are the set of 5 sensory organs of human being. The fourth question is set of prime number from 1 to 20. Set of sensory set of prime number. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Set of prime number from 1 to 20. The prime numbers are in the set of 1 to 20. The prime numbers are this alphabet. If we return any number, it depends on us. Prime numbers are 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the set of prime numbers in between 1 to 20. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now our last question. Name of the continents of the world. Name the continents of the world. Name the continents of the world. Question number 5. Names the continents of the world. Name the continents of the world. We have the 7 continents of our world. First, Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America, Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America, and Africa. These are the 7 continents of the world. Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America, and Africa. Okay, we are doing last sum after some words. Hello students, we are doing problem set 1.1 last question in your textbook given. Question number 5. Write the following set using rule method. The first question is given 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 80, 100. To sing those numbers, we know this is the square of numbers. This is the square of numbers. Now we return the rule form, and it is the rule form x oblique x is a square of first 10 natural numbers. Okay, is the square of first 10 natural numbers. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 89, 100, 81, 100. Or we written like this, or like this method. X oblique x, n square. N is a number. N is our natural number. N is the element of n. N is the element of n natural numbers, where 1 is a greater than or equal than. It is a sign of greater than or equal than n. Equal than n. And it is a less than or equal than 10. X oblique x square equal to n square. An element of n, natural number, where 1 is the less than or greater than n. And n is the less than or greater than 10. The second question. Now we move on second question. Second question is that question number 2. In your textbook given b equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. It looks like a table of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Now we have written it rule method. And what is saying the rule method? Rule method is saying the solution. Here also we are using x oblique x is a first 8 multiple of 6. X oblique x is the first 8 multiples of 6, because the last number is 48, right? 8 6 are 48. Or we written this to another form. X oblique x equal to 6n. 6 multiplied by n. Here n element of n, where n less than or greater or equal than, less than or equal than 8. It is a two type of rule method. We written this. Now the third question. Third question is given very easy. Third question is given into your textbook. C S M I L E. In your textbook, third question is given smile. The spelling of smile. Now we written this. X oblique x is a set of words. Set of words. Smile or miles. It looks like smile or miles. Both are the same alphabets. X oblique x is a set of words, smile or miles. Now the fourth question. Here we rub the board for our fourth question. Fourth and fifth question. We rub the board. Fourth question is given in your textbook. D equal to, given the 7 days of a week. Already I am saying the answer of this question. Is the set of 7 days of a week. Yeah, you write, read. D equal to, in bracket, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It is a set of week. In here we written is a days of the week. Yeah, you're right. It's a days of week. Now the last question in our exercise 1.1. Fifth, X A E T. Right. Solution X. Uh, in question given AET, the some alphabets A, E, and T. It is can be used. X oblique X is a set of words. Set of words at or T. At or T. Okay. Thank you, बच्चों. Thank you, students. We are meet